Good afternoon, everyone. So I am Carlo Denoy from BSHM 2C-Night. So right now I am going to make or perform the two international cocktail, which are the screwdriver and the kamikaze. But first things first, I am going to perform a flaring.
The world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Trappy a wish list. I'd probably pull a Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. Give away a few Mercedes like, here lady, have this.
So the first thing that I'm going to mix is screwdriver. So the method of this is build. Then the primary standard alcohol is vodka. Then it is served on the rocks, poured over ice. Then the standard garnish is orange slice, and also standard drinkware is a highball glass. So the measurement of the screwdriver is 3 cl vodka and 10 cl orange juice. So the next cocktail that I'm going to mix is Kamikaze, and the primary alcohol for this is vodka. Then the method used is shake. Then serve straight up without ice, and standard garnish is lime slice. Then standard drinkware is cocktail glass. So for the ingredients is 3 cl vodka, 3 cl triple sec, and 3 cl lime juice.